In 2002, I had given up on another pressure washing business, and I was working part-time at the police department, and I wanted to get into something a little bit more to make some more money. And when I met Tim to get into the window gang business, which is when I bought my franchise, it was very easy to get into. I had great support. It was just simple.
The support system is phenomenal. You do feel like your family. They have, decades of experience, and if you just need a mentor in the company, it's your friend. I mean, our franchise owners are your friends, and we have to help each other out, and we do.
Owning my first smaller franchise was nice. We have a plan that is given to you. You follow that plan, you will be successful.
Window gang has been very rewarding to me. It can be very lucrative, and we're going to finish our biggest year ever this year.
Our motto is service beyond your expectations. I can tell a difference between a window gang employee and any of our numerous competitors.
In my territory, when I look at other franchises that are in the window cleaning business, I just don't see the success that I see with Window Gang in my territory, or even other franchises that I speak to. We're just better. I think the name. I think the owners of Window Gang are more professional. It's just nice. It's a family-oriented franchise system to me. I feel like it's a family.